There was some very emotional testimony today at a hearing on Capitol Hill. The issue, should Congress put new limits on medical lawsuits? Among the witnesses, Dennis Quaid, who talked about the hospital mix-up that nearly killed his newborn twins. Chip Reed was there.
We were lucky.
Actor Dennis Quaid today told Congress the harrowing story of his twins, Thomas Boone and Zoe Grace, who nearly died last year when they were just 12 days old because of a medical error.
Their blood was basically turned to the consistency of water.
They had been given the blood thinner heparin, 1,000 times stronger than Heplock, the version intended for babies. What caused the mix-up? The labels are almost identical. As Quaid recently told Steve Kroft of 60 Minutes, a similar mix-up led to the deaths of 3 babies just a year before.
It was avoidable, completely avoidable.
Quaid sued the drug maker Baxter Healthcare, but Baxter argues it's immune from lawsuit because the Federal Drug Administration approved the drugs and the labels. It's an argument increasingly made by drug companies with the support of the Bush administration. Now Quaid says he's on a mission, fighting for the right of consumers to take drug companies to court.
They had made it. It made me feel that they had survived for a reason.
But Congressman Brian Bilbray today told Quaid there's another side to the argument, that suing drug companies can also lead to tragedy.
But 3 months later, the baby didn't wake up.
2 decades ago, Bilbray's pregnant wife needed a drug that had been taken off the market because of a lawsuit.
I will go to my grave believing my child was dead because he was denied the product that he desperately needed in his first trimester.
And it's not just Congress that's wrestling with the question of when consumers can sue drug companies. Later this year, the issue comes to this side of the street when it goes before the U.S. Supreme Court. Chip Reed, CBS News, Washington.